Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is BOFX USDCTF legend, aka God and Chat. Now today I came with another beautiful educative content as usual. Now today we'll be talking about why do traders lose in the forex market. I realize that many people in the forex market, especially the young traders, they find it very difficult to be profitable in the forex market. Now, what is the reason behind this? Is it because they don't know how to trade? Is it because they don't have a perfect strategy? Is it because their wrong attitude towards trading, or is it because their wrong notion about trading generally? Now let's look at different perspectives that may have led to traders losing money in the forex market. One of the examples why traders lose money in the forex market is number one, behavioral modification. Now, what do we mean by behavioral modification? As you know that in forex market, the important thing in forex market is psychology. Now, psychology deal with your behavior. What do you mean by behavior? Behavior are those things that are abstract, like your emotions, your greediness, your attitude, and all those things that are abstract in trading. These are the important things that will make you profitable trader. Many traders don't really look at the important aspect of forex, which is their behavior, the psychology behind trading. Now, they focus more on strategy, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and all these things are important, but they are not as important as their behavioral aspect of trading, which is the psychological aspect of trading. Now, under the behavioral modification, there are some things that traders do that is not supposed to be, such as impatience. Majority of traders in market, especially the beginner trader, they are always impatient in the market, especially when they are looking for trades, or all this FOMO and everything that I've talked about in my previous video happens to them. They are more likely to be impatient to wait for perfect setup. All these things is not proper in the forex market because at the end of the day, they will always make mistakes and they will always lose in the forex market. Another thing is emotional attachment. What do I mean by emotional attachment? It is important in the forex market that when you are trading, don't let emotion get over you. Now, make sure that you are in the right state of mind before you come into trading, because if you are not in the right state of mind, you will be emotionally attached to your trade, and the moment you are emotionally attached to your trade, it will affect your profitability because you won't allow your trade to run and you'll be scared when you are in drawdown. So emotional attachment is a very dangerous thing in market because it will make you a profitable trader in the long run. Analysis paralysis. Now, what do I mean by analysis paralysis? Now, analysis paralysis is a situation whereby traders get overwhelmed with too much information in terms of the fundamental, the technical, economical, and all these factors that is needed to be considered before you pick your trade or before you analyze the market. When this information is too much, this will lead to analysis paralysis, because at the end of the day, all these things will lead to inability to make clear decisions and not making timely decisions. So too much of analyzing the market, too much of fundamentals, too much of technical analysis, too much of indicators and every other thing in the market leads to unclear decision at the long run. So it's advisable for a trader to make sure that whatever they are analyzing should be as simple as possible. So I could remember when I was still growing as a trader, I remember that I did a lot with analysis paralysis because that time I was looking for holy grail in the market, the strategy I would trade, the information I would know, all sorts of things I will bring together to make sure that I enter a good market or to make sure that I have the right direction of the market. But at the end of the day, I will end up losing my trade. So why? What caused it? It's because of too much of information is on my head, and then it's not making me profitable. So now it's advisable for a trader not to complicate their analysis, not to complicate the information they consume, and to follow the plan they set. So too much of analysis sometimes cause traders to make wrong decisions in the market. So traders should avoid analysis paralysis because it is detrimental to their trading in the long run. Now, another one is over leveraging. What do you mean by leveraging? Leveraging is just the opportunity given by the brokers to use the lot size that is higher than their account. We have different type of leverage in forex market. We have starting from 1 to 20, 1 to 50, 1 to 100, 1 to 200, 1 to 500, 1 to 1000, like that. So now this leverage allow trader to use lot size that is higher than their capital, such as imagine Ade has $500 capital account and the broker provide 1 to 100 leverage. It means that Ade can use lot size meant for $50,000 account on $500 account. So this will give Ade more edge to make more profits in market Likewise, if things doesn't go the right way, it will make Ade to make more loss in market. So over leverage can be of positive side and can be of negative side if it is not used wisely. That is why risk management is the only thing that can save trader from over leveraging and over risking. So over leveraging is good at one side, and sometimes it is very bad. So it is better that you should use leverage that is in line with your with your capital, or you should maintain proper risk management, because if you over leverage at long run, your account will wipe away as fast as possible, because you are using lot size that's higher than your account. The trader should maintain a normal and proper leverage in the market. Now, another thing I will be talking about is lack of money management. Now, what do you mean by lack of money management? There's difference between risk management and money management. Now, risk management is a percentage of risk you are taking per trade. And remember, in my previous video, I said as a trader, you must always stick to 1% per trade. 1% per trade. Now, money management is how you manage your capital, in the sense that, okay, how you manage your open position, in the sense that, are you going on break even on your trade? Are you going on risk free on your trade? Are you setting multiple targets? So all these things are money management. Also, are you cutting your losses short and allow your profit to run? So all these things are part of money management, and these are the things that will make you profitable in the long run. If you are not managing your money well, it will affect your profitability as a trader. So it is advisable to maintain your proper money management and also risk management. Risk management is percentage you are risking per trade, while money management are the process you take to make sure that you arrive at your desired goal, which is making profit in the market. The last thing I'll be talking about is over analysis. Now, the difference between analysis paralysis and over analysis is this. Analysis paralysis is talking about a trader consuming too much of information, which will eventually lead to taking wrong decisions by a trader, or not taking decision timely by the trader. Now, over analysis is excessive or unnecessary analysis of market data, indicator, news, leading to trader getting confused and potentially leading to indecision, confusion, and leading trader to miss trading opportunities. So now I could remember then when I was still a beginner trader, then I overanalyze my market a lot, because I'll be like, let me try this strategy on my peer. Then I can be using 3 strategy on a particular analysis. I can be using SMC, using trend line, of course I don't have a particular strategy I'm using all those days. After I've overanalyzed my chart, at the end of the day, I will realize that I didn't eventually enter into the trade, because I will be getting confused that, have I done the right thing? Have I analyzed the market well? Did I have to look at this? Did I have to look at that? So now I've overanalyzed the market, leading to confusion at the long run. So it is a bad idea for a trader to overanalyze the market. Make sure that you make your analysis so simple that even if you explain to a beginner trader will be able to understand better. So make sure that all these things are looked into to avoid losing in the market. So these are the major factors that make trader to be losing consistently in the market. So if you can avoid these 5 things, it is sure that there will be profitability in the long run for the trader. If you have any question or if you have any observation, kindly drop your comment. I'll respond to it. Make sure you subscribe, like, and click the notification button. Thank you. God bless.